unboxing again. Numnoms Party Hair Series 1. Let's open. And wait, let's see the age. 3 and above. It's open. This is actually kind of hard to open, even though they were just rubber. But I think we can do it. Okay, that's one side. Let me just get the other side. Oh, can we just open it from here? No, we have to get both sides to open. I'm going to cut it so it's easier. Like that. And then we can tear off this piece. Just tear it off. To be honest, I love this orange mixed with pink paper. It is very pretty. So we got like this swirl. It's like really cute, and let's see what we got. Here's a collector's guide. It smells good, by the way. It smells like real good. Okay, let's open it in fully. Here it is. You can mix and match your hair. So there is some topping glitter stuff, and by the way, it's also Series 1. Let's cut open this. Now we got this one, and we got this type of hair. So we can just put it on somehow. Okay, let's see who we got. So, I don't know what this is. I know it is scented. Yeah, it is. Let's see what we got. Probably on the other side. Yeah, it looks just like this, so we'll be on the lookout for this. We got a blueberry freeze, I believe. Let's put the hair on. Don't really know how to put the hair on, so we'll just put it on. Like this, it looks like a troll. I don't know, it just says that, I want to see, because it says that a numb topping lip gloss wand and a numb lip gloss. So we got the numb topping. It smells very good. So I think there's nothing else to it. So this is just trash. It's the end of the video now. I know it was really short. So I'm going to tell you stuff that you guys could do that would I would really enjoy if you guys did. So if you click on my circle, you will see that I have like lots of videos. I don't know how much videos I have, but it's a lot. So click on one of those videos there, and you'll see. And by the way, you'll see like almost every single video. So don't forget to like those videos and watch it till the end. Also share those videos. I'd really appreciate it, and comment that you did all of those in these videos. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, like, and comment down below. Bye!